are the very important document that as a startup you should have. So the first one is for you to have a business plan. The business plan is the concise document about your business, the summary of your business, everything about your business, how you intend to get funds, the management, the future, the past and the present of your business. I think that a business plan should contain the past, the present, and the future of your business. Everything about your business. Yes, so you should have a business plan as a startup. The second important document that you should have as a startup is for you to have certificate of incorporation. Have a certificate of incorporation as a startup. It says a lot about your business. It says firstly that your business is registered and incorporated, and it says that you are in business for business, that you meant business. You are not just playing around or trying to just have some ideas and then maybe get out or something. Business incorporated, and having a certificate of incorporation says that you meant business and you are in business for business. Yes, so have your certificate of incorporation. Of course, the third one is for you to have tax certificates. The tax certificate says it implicates that you are a tax-paying citizen of the country and that your business is paying tax. And investors who want to invest into your company, you want to know that you are a responsible citizen of your country with the indication of your tax payments. And that you can get through tax certificates. Be able to have your tax certificate, yes, as a startup company. The fourth document that you should have is, of course, license and permits. There are some businesses that you go into that you require you to have a business, to have a license and permit for operation. If, for instance, you want to go into the production of drugs, the storage of drugs, you have to have the permits to operate such a business. So make sure that the industry that your startup is, make sure you verify if it is one that requires license. Then it is very important that you get a license after incorporation of that business. Get a license and get a permit to operate, not to be called to bar. That is a license to operate as a law firm. Yes. Once you are called to bar, then you can go into anything that has to do with law, anything that has to do with legal issues and services. So that is a license for lawyers that I will say. Then of course, the fifth one is for you to get your trademark. Get trademark certificates. Make sure that your product is trademarked, your services, your brand, your logo is trademarked, because that's the big advantage of trademarking your product and logo. You can actually franchise a trademark product. But a product that is not trademarked cannot be franchised and cannot be given out to a third person. You can make money from a trademarked product. So trademark your product, trademark your logo as a startup. It will aid your growth. It will also give investors the confidence that you are also in business for business. Get a co-founder agreement. Get a co-founder agreement. If you're a startup and you want to bring in co-founders, get agreements telling you about your duties, your obligations, your limits, and what so envisage the business to be. Founder agreements will list out everything about the business. So make sure you have one as a startup who is into business for business. That you should get as a startup, have a partnership agreement. A partnership agreement talks about everything about that business. You intend to go into business with partners and with more than one person, including you. Then have a partnership agreement that talks about your intention, talks about how the partners are going to run the business and how they are going to manage the business. Because a partnership business is managed by partners. So each partner should know its obligation, what is required of it and what is not required of it. And each should also know what he or she should not do. The partnership agreement will tell you about the termination of business, if the business is going to continue after the death of the partners or not. This agreement envisage the future. So if you're a startup and you want to bring in more persons into your business, then you should have a partnership agreement from the word go. Have a partnership agreement. And so you should have investor agreement. If you intend to bring in persons to invest into your company, have an investor agreement for each investor. Such investor agreements envisage the future of the industry and of that business. So these are the key documents that you need as a startup. You need a business plan, a certificate of incorporation, a tax certificate, license or permit, depending on the business that you are into, a trademark, co-founder agreement, partnership agreement, and investor agreement, depending also on the structure of your business. So I hope you got value from this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I remain Adeyemi Adeola Elizabeth. Thank you.